Shedberg Auto Sales here, 336-992-1186. Website's wholesalecarsdirect.com. Go on there, fill out a credit application, take a look at it. See this and many of our other inventory. Again, you're looking at a Ford F-150 four-wheel drive, medium blue. It's got a 5.4 liter V8, and we'll go up close and actually let you see the wheels and the tires. The paint's in decent condition. There is a couple little flaws, scratches going down the side of it. It does have a bed liner in it. You can see the four-wheel drive decals, tow package, F150. It's got a dent right here above the light and a little penny-sized dent right there. Little cracker jack dents is what I call them, be nothing. All-terrain BF Goodwrench tires. You can see small little scratches right through there. Going up the side of it. See, there's the last wheel and tire, which is in decent condition. And then we'll go inside here and let you look. It comes with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, black and gray cloth. If you can see that right there. The back pockets of the seats have a small tear in them. You can see that it does have automatic headlights, cruise control, CD player, AM FM stereo, four-wheel drive high and low, and get you the miles here. 110,315, 110,315 of the miles. Seen it here first, wholesalecarsdirect.com, 336-992-1186, 336-992-1186.